Are you looking to make your next big real estate investment in 2025? Imagine buying property in one of the fastest-growing cities in the US and seeing your investment skyrocket. In this video, I'll reveal the top US cities that are a goldmine for real estate investors in 2025. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these hidden gems. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to TheFoxFinance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more finance tips, investment advice, and money-making strategies. Are you ready to discover the best cities in the US to invest in real estate in 2025? In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 cities that are not only growing rapidly, but also offer huge potential for high returns on real estate investments. So, if you're looking for the next big opportunity, keep watching. Let's kick things off with Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix has been a booming market for the past few years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. With a population growing at an impressive rate, more people are moving to the city for its affordable living costs and job opportunities. Plus, the real estate market is on fire. Phoenix is perfect for single-family homes, multifamily properties, and even vacation rentals. Why Phoenix? Population growth. The population in Phoenix has surged by more than 10% in the last few years. Affordable housing. Compared to cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles, Phoenix offers a much more affordable housing market, making it attractive for investors looking for good deals. High demand. The demand for housing is expected to continue growing, especially in the suburbs. Look for properties in growing neighborhoods like Queen Creek or Avondale. These areas are becoming hotspots for families and young professionals. Next up is Austin, Texas, the city that's become the Silicon Valley of the South. Known for its vibrant tech scene, live music culture, and great weather, Austin is attracting people from all over the country. Real estate investors are flocking to Austin due to its booming economy and tech industry. Why Austin? Tech boom. With big companies like Tesla, Oracle, and Apple setting up shop, Austin's economy is booming. Job opportunities. High-paying jobs in the tech, healthcare, and education sectors are attracting more people to the city. Rising rents. The demand for rental properties has increased, giving investors the potential for great rental income. Areas like East Austin and South Congress are seeing a lot of new development and are perfect for long-term investments. Now, let's talk about Raleigh, North Carolina, one of the best-kept secrets in real estate. Raleigh is rapidly growing and is consistently ranked among the top cities to live in. It has a low cost of living, a strong job market, and a booming tech and healthcare sector. Why Raleigh? Strong job market. Raleigh's Research Triangle Park is home to top employers in tech and healthcare. Affordable housing. Compared to other tech hubs, Raleigh offers a much more affordable housing market. High rent potential. With more people moving in, rental properties are in high demand. Focus on areas close to downtown or the universities. These neighborhoods attract students, young professionals, and families. Tampa, Florida is another city that should be on your radar. The real estate market in Tampa is heating up, thanks to its beautiful beaches, low taxes, and booming economy. It's quickly becoming one of the top destinations for both retirees and young professionals. Why Tampa? Strong job growth. The job market in Tampa is strong, especially in finance, healthcare, and tourism. Retiree magnet. Tampa is attracting retirees who are investing in both rental properties and vacation homes. Tourism. Boom. The tourism industry drives a lot of short-term rental opportunities, especially near the beaches. Look into vacation rental properties around Clearwater Beach or St. Pete Beach. The demand for short-term rentals is massive. Finally, let's talk about Nashville, Tennessee, the music city that's also becoming a hotspot for real estate investment. Nashville's economy is diversifying, and the city's population is growing rapidly. Whether it's single-family homes or multi-family units, Nashville offers great opportunities for investors. Why Nashville? Music and culture hub. Nashville attracts people from all over, especially those in the entertainment industry. Job growth. The healthcare and education sectors are booming, driving job growth. Strong rental market. With a high demand for both long-term and short-term rentals, Nashville's rental market is one of the hottest in the country. Focus on areas like East Nashville or Germantown, where there's a mix of new developments and a strong rental market. So, there you have it. These 5 cities, Phoenix, Austin, Raleigh, Tampa, and Nashville, are the top real estate markets to keep an eye on in 2025. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, these cities offer plenty of opportunities for high returns. If you're ready to take the plunge into real estate investing, these are the places to be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more real estate tips and financial advice. Until next time, happy investing.